I would like to invite Elis Luige, who is a project manager from the Department of International Trade, and she will share with you and what is actually having your personal project manager who is coordinating the communication with those 750 plus experts that you can tap in terms of going to the UK market. And actually DIT is doing this for free, and this is part of the soft landing. So Elis, are you here?
I am. I feel like there was so much build up and I'm not going to live up to expectations. So I might as well just go now. I think the whole process, to sort of briefly describe it, is that we all work as a virtual team. So I'm, for instance, based in London, but I very much represent a UK first approach. So I will be speaking to, the likes of Nigel and Emily and all the other colleagues in UK regions. But you get an appointed sort of point of contact, such as a project manager, such as myself, and then my 120 other colleagues, when you have spoken to Cristina. So once you solidify your plans on expanding into the UK, then you get an allocated point of contact. I guess I can tell you about Remix, how we worked with, and our amazing Jeremy. I met Hodor about 2 years ago. He probably doesn't remember. It was just as a result of conversations that Cristina had, and again winning the initial tech prosperity, whatever it was called back in the day, competition. So you get a project manager. It's my role to speak to you, right? And it's my role to understand whether you're up, to the competition level. It'll be my role to tell you, what direction you should go. And I speak to so many companies from Central Eastern Europe, and they think, okay, we've got automotive clients, let's just go to this one sector. Well, what if, the competition here is saturated? What if this is not where, you need to go? Then it'll be my job to make you speak to other people. And again, we've got so many amazing specialists in-house, like, Chris Moore as well. He's not on a call, as well as Nigel. And it'll be their job to tell you about the trends and just make you think a bit differently. So once you sort of sorted this bit, or if you already have some traction with UK clients, I'm here for you. I can make you introductions to accountants, lawyers, business development firms, whatever it takes to make you physically present and make you, physically set up in the UK, which is basically our end goal, for you to come to the UK and start hiring people. But along the way, there are so many, stages that we need to manage. Like for instance, with DreamX, I think it was an amazing idea from you, Mitko. How do we benefit from Industry 4.0? Because UK is very hot on this. Like we're working on industrial strategy. Industry 4.0 is one of the challenges. How do we make foreign companies benefit from this? Oh, well, there is this amazing competition that Innovate UK is doing. University of Manchester is working in the same area. Why don't we connect those two dots, and why don't we make them speak to each other? So yeah, it's about understanding where you are at your journey, how you can benefit from UK commercial opportunities and log in. But my job is just basically, I'm like a puppet master, just pulling the strings.
Thank you very much. I would just like to add that thanks to Elis, we got amazing introductions.